Hello friends, this is Ramesh Panikar here on behalf of KNA. Today we are discussing uh, Crash Online 2020 and it is test number 4 chemistry paper. Look at question number 4.6. The only non-metal which is liquid at ordinary temperature, it is non-metal, so it is bromine, whereas liquid metal is mercury. Gallium, you should be careful at 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius, it is solid. Around about 30, it is liquid. All right. So, question number 46, correct answer is second option. 47. Alkali metals act as good reducing agent because they have strong tendency to lose electron. They have very strong tendency to lose electron. Alright, that is why their E0 values are very less, means including sign I'm talking. Alright, lithium is the strongest reducing agent. 48th question. An element X has S2P1 configuration, outermost configuration. What is the formula? And it is first, it is the member of first short period, means it is talking about boron. So it is S2B2O3 and it is acidic. Right. Question number 49. Formula for agate. This you must remember, it is SiO2 or just leave it because not that important. Alright. CF2 is fluorspar. These are some silicates. Alright. Question number 50. Which ore is used for industrial extraction of aluminium in India? So it is bauxite, Al2O3.2H2, or in NCERT a different formula is given. You must remember that also. 5.1. V-shaped. SO2 is V-shaped. SO2, if you look at the structure, it is with one lone pair of electron, and in NCERT this coordinate bond is given or single bond is given, or you may find in some books with lone pair of electron, double bond and double bond. Right, this is also correct. BeCl2 is it has different shapes, like above 1200 Kelvin it is linear, sp hybridized. Below 1200 Kelvin it is sp2 hybridized, it is dimer. Alright, and in solid state at room temperature it is polymer and sp3 hybridized. Acetylene is linear, CO2 is linear. When SO2 gas is passed through acidic K2Cr2O7, we get a green precipitate of Cr2SO4 This is a test for SO2, you must remember. 53. The compound of sulfur that can be used as refrigerant. This is again, you must remember, it is SO2. Alright, it is used as bleaching agent also. Alright. Question number 54. Which metal ion is colored? Not colored. It is Zn2 positive because Zn2 positive has D10 configuration. So DD transition is not possible. Alright. In rest of the cases, transition elements from D1 to D9 state, they are colored. Question number 55. Which of the following reaction will occur on heating AgNO3 just above its melting point? Just above its melting point, the correct answer is third option. Alright, when it is decomposed to AgNO2 and O2. Whereas above 450 degrees Celsius, this is the first reaction, means it is completely decomposed to silver metal and we get NO2 and O2. Alright, 55. Now look at question number 56. Look at question number 5, 6. Right. Which of the following is not a characteristic of transition elements? Natural radioactivity is not the characteristics. Variable oxidation state, coloration, colored compound formation, interstitial compound formation, these are all characteristics. How many EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate molecules are required to make octahedral complex of calcium 2 positive with a calcium 2 positive? So we need only one, because this is CH2 voltwise N, and this is CH2COO negative. This is 1, 2 CH2COO negative. This is 3. Similarly, nitrogen and CH2COO negative. This is 4th center, 5th center, and similarly CH2COO negative, 6th center. Alright, so 6 coordination centers are there. So one molecule is one ion is sufficient to octahedrally coordinate with one calcium 2 positive. Question number 5-8, the most stable resonating structure. See, in resonating structures, the first criteria is a species which is neutral is most stable. So look at 1, 2 and 4th structure, we have some charges, alright. Whereas in third structure, we don't have any kind of charge. So that structure which is non-polar or having no charges is most stable one, alright. Now look at question number 5-9. In question number 5-9, we have CH3 and this group Cl, hydrogen, and here we have CHCl, C2H5. So we have to find out RS notation for this. So if you look at the seniority, it is Cl is most senior, and then we have this group, that is CHCl, C2H5, and then it is CH3, and then it is hydrogen on second carbon atom. Like if you start, because if you want to name this compound, it is 2-chloro, 3-chloro, or 2,3-dichloro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. So on second carbon atom, this is the order of seniority. Cl is most senior, and then second is this group, that is CHCl, C2H5. This is on second carbon atom. On third carbon atom, it is Cl, alright, then CH3H, and then that is for this group. If you compare, it is Cl, after that CHCl, CH3, CHCl, CH3. Alright, and then it is C2H5, and then hydrogen. So now if you start moving from senior most group, what you have to do, the junior most group is hydrogen in both the cases. So you have to ignore this one, alright, and start moving from 1 to 2 to 3. 1 to 2 to 3. What you are getting? You are getting clockwise rotation. In such cases, if you get clockwise rotation, it should be written R. Alright, it should be written R, but since hydrogen, which is the junior most group, is on horizontal line, then whatever notation you get, like you are getting R, change it to S. Alright, so this is S. Similarly, 1 to 2 to 3, when you move from 1 to 2 to 3, ignore this fourth one. What you are getting? Again you are getting clockwise rotation, R. But hydrogen, that is the junior most group, is on horizontal line, so change it to S. So it is 2S, 3S. In this book, in this question paper, the answer given is first, but it should be changed to second option. Alright. Question number 6-0. Question number 6-0 is incomplete. Ethene, when treated with peracid, any alkene when treated with peracid CH2 double bond CH2, then any peracid like perbenzoic acid it is mentioned. Alright, what you get is CH2, then O, epoxide. Initially you get epoxide, and then on hydrolysis we get CH2OH and CH2OH, OH added from opposite side, syn 1,2-diol. So we don't have this option. So actually it is further, means the answer given as ethene. To obtain ethene, it must be treated, this compound must be treated with Pi3 or P phosphorus plus iodine. Then what will happen? We get CH2I and CH2I. But we know that 2 iodine on adjacent carbon atom does not exist, so finally it is converted to ethene after the removal of iodine. So we don't have this conversion, so you can cancel this question number 60. Otherwise the correct answer should be this one, that is first option, that too from opposite side. There is no problem. 60 should be first option. Second is possible only if these further conversions are given. All right, look at question number 6.1. Question number 6.1. See, it is CH triple bond C triple bond CH, and this is bonded to cyclobutyl group like this. So when it is treated with mercuric sulfate and H2SO4, obviously it is hydration and that too using Markovnikov addition. So what we get is H on like this is converted to the C double bond H. All right, here we get OH, okay, and here we get H, and this is cyclobutyl. All right, like this, and then tautomerization will produce ketonic product, means we get C double bond O and CH3. Okay, so correct answer is third option. Question number 62 we will discuss further.